Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Althea, there lived a beautiful princess named Alara. She was kind, compassionate, and loved by everyone in the kingdom. But as the daughter of a powerful king, her life was sheltered and bound by countless rules. She longed for freedom, to see the world beyond the palace walls. Her only reprieve was a small, hidden garden where she would escape to feel the breeze and be surrounded by nature. One day, while wandering in her secret garden, Alara stumbled upon a young man, injured and leaning against a tree. Startled, she cautiously approached him. He looked up, and their eyes met. He had deep, dark eyes filled with a kindness she'd never seen before. "My lady, forgive me," he whispered, struggling to stand. "I didn't mean to trespass." Alara gently held out her hand, preventing him from moving. "You're hurt. Please, let me help you," she said, her voice full of concern. The young man reluctantly accepted her aid, and she guided him to a shaded spot. She carefully cleaned his wounds with water from the garden fountain and wrapped them with a cloth from her dress. In time, she learned his name, Aiden. He was a servant from a neighboring village, brought to the castle to assist with the royal stables. Alara found herself drawn to Aiden's humility and bravery. Despite their vastly different worlds, they shared a profound connection. Days turned into weeks, and Alara and Aiden met in the garden regularly, stealing moments away from their respective duties. She showed him the flowers she'd grown, while he spoke of the open fields and rivers that ran through his village. They shared laughter, stories, and soon, secrets of their dreams. Aiden had a passion for art and dreamt of becoming a painter, but his life had been devoted to servitude, leaving little room for such dreams. One evening, under a sky full of stars, Aiden gathered the courage to express his feelings. "Alara, I know this may seem impossible, but in my heart, I can't deny my love for you. You've shown me kindness that no one else has." Alara's heart raced. She had felt the same, but the thought of a princess falling in love with a servant was unthinkable. Yet, she whispered, "Aiden, I feel the same. You've given me a glimpse of a life I never knew I wanted." Their love blossomed in secret, but as with all forbidden love stories, their happiness was not to last. One day, the king's advisor saw them together in the garden. He reported this to the king, who was furious at the notion of his daughter's affection for a servant. Aiden was imprisoned, and Alara was forbidden from seeing him. Determined to be with him, Alara pleaded with her father, explaining that her love for Aiden was true and unwavering. The king saw the resolve in his daughter's eyes and, though reluctantly, released Aiden, giving them his reluctant blessing. Alara and Aiden left Althea to begin a life together, where love could be celebrated freely, away from rules that tried to confine their hearts.